what's up everybody and welcome to the channel. I first of all want to wish you all a Merry Christmas, and today I actually got something for Christmas from one of the sponsors from this video, which is going to be Yilong. They have sponsored me throughout the whole year to have me actually do really cool reviews on their equipment for you guys, and they happened to surprise me with a little Christmas present. It's right in this box here, right in front of me, and I thought it would be fun to open it together for Christmas and see what's inside this box. So let's dive down and see what's inside. So here it is. It's a big box, and let's open it up, and you can see we got a whole bunch of the Ovly cartridges that they are putting out. Now there's a bunch of different ones, so we're just gonna take them out and see what's in there. So we're gonna start over here. I think these ones are all kind of the same. They're different sizes: 7-round Magnum, 9-round Magnum, 5-round liner. Let's put them aside for a little bit. Here's another box that has kind of that bluish kind of hint. These are other ones. This is a lot more than I expected it to be. What else do we got? Then we have these ones, and they have like that little rubber grip on them. Cool. Also 9-round Magnum, 3-round liner, 5-round liner, 5-round Magnum, 7-round Magnum, 5-round liner, 3-round liner. Wow. This is really a lot. Then we got another one of these, 3-round liner. We have this box, we'll get to that later. We have more, 5-round Magnum, 7-round Magnum. Last two. Another 5-round Magnum, 9 Magnum. Wow. And we got this little thing over here. Let's open it up. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Right back at you. Got a nice Christmas card. Of course we got a hat. A nice snapback. Yilong tattoo equipment. That's really cool. I always wear hats, so this will come in handy actually. And we got a t-shirt. Oh yeah, cool. Nice t-shirt. This will be nice when I do another review for them. I got some dress code to put on. And actually, this little Christmas tree was inside there as well. I already took it out when I opened it up myself. Now, what do we got? We got these boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 boxes of the Ovly cartridges. And then I think we got another 10 boxes here. Yep, another 10 boxes. So these are, I'm pretty sure, without the little rubber grip. Yeah, so these are like standard kind of cartridges, not with the little rubber thingy here. They look really cool. I cannot wait to try them out. And then these ones, yeah, they have that little rubber thingy on there to make it extra comfortable. Wow, they also look very nice. I cannot wait to try them out, and we will try them out very soon. Once all the holidays are over, we'll get into do more reviews, and we're gonna review some needles as well. Wow, this is amazing. This will be a little stack for a while for me, which will come in very handy. So yes, I know this is kind of a short video, but I just want to take a minute to thank Yilong for helping me out all year long with giving me so much things to create cool content for you guys that you have absolutely loved, and to push out some information on their equipment and things like that. I am actually super happy with all these needles because I can definitely use them in the in my work. Whenever I get to work, it's nice needle groupings that I usually use. And of course we're also going to be reviewing them, and I'm going to use them probably in reviews of other tattoo equipment, because we do have a lot more reviews coming up. I think for the rest of this year I might not put out any more videos. It depends a little bit how it goes. You know how it gets a little bit hectic during the holidays. But other than that, yeah, have a wonderful Christmas, and I will see you in the next video.